Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you, please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a mixer and add 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 small sliced onion, 8 cashew nuts, 5 almonds badam, 2 green chilies, and a few coriander leaves. I'm now going to blend this. I'm then going to take 300 grams of chicken and add the mixed puree to it. After adding that, I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, some salt as per taste, and lastly 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. And lastly about 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. I'm now going to mix all of this and leave this for marination for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, you would have noticed here that the chicken has mixed in really well with the rest of the marination. After that, you can take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. After adding the butter, you can then add the piece of marinated chicken to it. As you can see here, I've placed all the pieces of marinated chicken to it. At this point of time, I'm now going to switch the flame from low flame to medium flame. After about 3 minutes, you can then add the leftover marination juices to the rest of the chicken pieces. I'm now going to let this fry for another 6 minutes before I turn the sides of the chicken. After 6 minutes, I'm now going to toss the piece of the chicken to another side. After 5 minutes, after turning the piece of the chicken and once it's become nice and tender, you can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I request you, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.